How to fix other people's story not showing on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply go ahead and try to force quit Instagram and then reopen the application, as this will refresh your feed and often restore missing stories. See if that helps, and if not, then go to your feed tab and then swipe down to manually refresh your feed. And if the story tree failed to sync, then this can make stories appear again. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also go ahead and check if you have muted their story. So open the person's profile and then tap on the following option you see there, and then tap on the mute option and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for stories, as you may have accidentally hidden someone's story. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram, and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version. And if not, then go ahead and update the app further. Additionally, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as weak connection can prevent stories from loading. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as this will remove temporary files that may be causing story display issues. Go ahead and open Instagram and see if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option. Log yourself out and then log back into Instagram, and this will refresh your session and often resolve synchronization problems. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply go ahead and try to reinstall the Instagram application. So go back to your home screen and delete the Instagram application and then reinstall the Instagram application, as if the app's files are corrupted, uninstalling and reinstalling the app will download a cleaner version of the app. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then it simply could be the server issue of Instagram. So check the Instagram server, and if the server is down, you can simply wait for the server to work fine. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix other people's story not showing on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.